People in engineering fields, corporate, research or any other field that requires critical thinking, logic, planning, they mostly work their left brain. So for these people, it is very important to do right brain activities such as listening to music, painting. This helps them to maintain the balance between the left and right side of the brain. A brain that is balanced performs much better, has more energy and stays more positive. Similarly, for people who are working in the creative field like the writers, artists, singer, they tend to use the right side of their brain. So for them it is important to do left brain activities such as solving a jigsaw puzzle or a sudoku. So this is the concept of brain balance that lets you experience higher clarity, higher creativity, higher efficiency and higher relaxation. But for some reason, if you're not able to do these complementary right brain or left brain activity due to lack of time or lack of inclination, I will suggest you two very beneficial breathing exercises that will help you maintain this balance. First is one nostril Kapalbhati. It is exactly like Kapalbhati, but you are only using one nostril to do this. So how to do this? You will place your index finger on the tip of the right nostril, and how you do Kapalbhati, you do rapid exhalation and passive inhalation, active exhalation and passive inhalation. Okay, so let's just see how we do Kapalbhati. So it's something like this. So with exhalation, you are throwing the air out and jerking the stomach in. So in one nostril Kapalbhati, it's the same thing. So index finger on the right and alright, so I am only using my left nostril to exhale. So 10 times for the left one and 10 times for the right one. Going over this again, left index finger on the left nostril and exhalation from the right. 10 times on each side, maybe more, maybe less, that depends on you and your lung capacity. Second one is your classic Anulom Vilom or the Nadi Shodhan practice, where you are inhaling through the right nostril, then exhaling from the left, and then again inhaling from the left and exhaling from the right. So breathing like this helps in creating that balance between both the hemispheres of the brain, because when you are breathing from the left nostril, the right part of your brain gets activated, and when you are breathing from the right nostril, the left part of your brain gets activated. So let's go over how to do Anulom Vilom. You can place your left hand on the thigh and the right hand in Vishnu Mudra, where the first two fingers are closed. You start by closing your right nostril, then you inhale from the left nostril, close the left nostril, exhale from the right, then again inhale from the right, close the right nostril, exhale from the left. Alright, so this is your one round of Nadi Shodhan or Anulom Vilom practice. Do it for 10 to 15 times in the beginning, and as you progress you can go to 5 minutes of this practice. In my experience, doing both these pranayams for 2 to 3 times a day proves maximum beneficial. All of us must practice these breathing exercises not only to balance the brain, but these pranayams also improve the lung function, reverses aging and help in the digestion. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.